adjusting the camera so the phone don't fall. Hey everybody, welcome to our treasure home. I'm Nancy and Anastasia's upstairs. So I'm doing a little quick video. So I was on, and she just sat there and told me how to say the Kadatin, Mama Homestead. I'll put her link down below. And she forgot the first half hour. She put it on private instead of public for the StreamYard. So you gotta go back and watch the very beginning and everything. I did make a soup. So it wasn't, we did more of a talk than cooking. But I did make soup because I need to eat dinner. I had lunch. I mean, eat dinner. Ba-da-da-da-ba-bing. Alrighty, so what I did, I made a turkey stew. Soup. Not stew. Soup. So I took turkey, like 1/4 of a pound of turkey. I made them into meatballs and cooked them in the skillet. And I seasoned that with garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, chives, black pepper, kosher salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then I chopped up a half of a red onion and like 4 cloves of garlic and put them in the soup. What I used in the soup was homemade turkey broth, peas, carrots, corn, and lima beans for my soup. And I'm going to show y'all that now. So I have some in the bowl. And this is what is in the pot. And I did not drain anything. I just used the juice that was in the cans. Because then if you drain it, you gotta get the water out. Yeah, no. I just used the juice in the can. So we got carrots and peas and corn. And I love lima beans. So that's in there. And here's my turkey meatballs. There is the onion. That's not an onion. That's a solid thing of fat. That was in my turkey broth. Isn't that nice? Anyway, then my onions and my garlic's in there. And I have a nice big bowl of turkey meatball soup. I will put the recipe down below. And we had such a great time. And it's my mistake. I said cooking and I just read it wrong because we were talking about cooking. So I thought Sunday was cooking. Sunday was talking about all kinds of things. We talked about the Bible and prepping and her channel and my channel and everything. It was just a wonderful time. And Al and Nicole and Rita and a few other people. I couldn't see the chat, but she was and Ashley. And I was so excited that people came over to watch and everything. Thank you so much. Go check her out. She is a wonderful channel. She does have about canning and coupons and how to get things free. And just a joy. She's been through a lot, but I'm telling you, she's a fireball for Jesus. And the testimony is just amazing. So, that's what we did. Wednesday is going to be a cooking video. Now, I don't know if we'll do stew or something. I do want to do cooking. We had talked about crafts and everything. So we might do that too. But I want to do something else Wednesday. Cooking. Probably maybe a dessert or something. Sorry, Eddie. Oh, but it might be pumpkin related. It could be apples. It could be something. I don't know. It might be just something with turkey. I'm trying to come up with something else with turkey and chicken besides the same old. But you know, you've got to think outside the box. So, that's what we did today. We had a lot of fun. I did make my turkey soup. And I got enough left over I could use for a couple days. I could can the rest of it and have it, which I might. So it'd probably be like could be 1 quart, or I could like 2 or 3 pints. But still, something is better than nothing. So, here we go. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Yes, the links are down below. I'm not, yeah, like I said, I'm not one for pushing stuff. You know, if you go check them out, good. If you don't have time, I understand. But thank you for subscribing and coming to watch us. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.